Hey everybody, it's Jonathan Bolano with Bolano Home over at Home Smart Professionals. We got another one for you. It's over at 69 Amherst over in Cumberland, Rhode Island. Before I go and take you inside, I do want to invite you guys to check us out. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all right? I'm gonna bring you in. It's 2 bedrooms to 3 bedrooms. But before I go into all that, let's just start tracking inside and let's go have some fun. So, let me show you guys what this house has to offer. Boom. Now, the first room that we end up in is the mud room, and this is great because you get to leave all the dirt and all that other grime outside as you go into the inside of your house. And I know a lot of people like to do the shoeless house thing, so this is perfect for it. So as we push back, I'm gonna show you guys the 2-car garage. And this one is special. Look how much room you have here. There's tons of room for storage, for doing all the different things that you need to do. And it is got AC, you have a little heater over here, and you have a heater on the other side too. So this home has like everything that you could want if you want to spend some time in the garage, you're trying to do something cool, and have a little bit of a life out there. You like to do some work, etc., etc. Quick cloak closet. You have a beautiful deck over here, but I'll show that to you guys when you get here. But let me show you the amazing place. And I just showed you guys this the other day in another one of our videos, and it's a kitchen. Look at this beautiful kitchen. Tons of room, tons of space. Watch your head, because I almost hit my head on that thing like 4 times already. You have a nice little dining area, and it has that entry right over into the living room. And as you guys all know, for me, I love to entertain. I love to have people over, and what better way than to have this open space like this where everybody can be involved with one another, you can have full-blown conversations, and think about what your Christmas tree or what your decorations would look like over in this room. Come follow me, I'm gonna show you some more of the house. Now, the next room I'm gonna show you is going to be the first bedroom, or it could be seen as an office, or it could be just like another kind of living room space, something nice and quiet, something peaceful, where you can come out when you're in the middle of your day and kind of enjoy being in the house. So look at the set real quick. Great for your morning coffee. If you wanna hang out with your significant other, put up a couple of chairs, enjoy the breeze. Let's go check out the rest. Right over here to your right-hand side is going to be the bathroom. And it's gonna be a full bath, offers a lot of great stuff. And now I'm gonna bring you right on upstairs. So let's go check up that way. Now over here we have the first main bedroom. Look at these vaulted ceilings. It is a beautiful area. This is something great to wake up to. You drop your bed right here, and the first thing you get to see is all this natural sunlight. Over here is going to be your next bedroom. This one's a little bit interesting because it has a lot to offer. You have these nice wood panel boards. You have another deck right here, so in the morning if you have like a young kid and they want to be able to catch that breeze, just hang out on the porch when they're doing their schoolwork at night, because you know everybody's doing that at-home schooling. They can do a little bit of work right there and just be somewhere that's peaceful, where they can just be themselves. So right behind you, I'm gonna let you look at the full bathroom. So isn't that a nice bathroom? Now let's go over to the fireplace where we can kind of finish this up. So thank you guys for joining me here by my fireside chat. Sorry. My fireside chat. Just kidding, come on. Thank you guys for joining me over here at 69 Amherst over in Cumberland, Rhode Island. I hope this tour gave you a really good view and a really good feel of what this home has to offer for you and your family. Now, some key takeaways: 2-car garage, tons of room, the outside space, and the beautiful kitchen dining room setup. Now, I do want to remind you that this home does offer 1,700 square feet just here, the part that you've toured, but that doesn't show you the extra 1,000 square feet that's just below us with an extra 2 rooms for a combined total of 2,700 square feet. First time doing math today, don't worry about it. But this buyer isn't gonna come for me, so I'm gonna look forward to seeing you guys at the first showing. And until then, I'm gonna go make myself some hot chocolate because I'm freezing right now. I will see you guys later.